Hello everyone, a warm welcome to English Tech Magazine Computer Vignanam.
When playing video games, how do we ensure that phone, system or laptop lagging? Let us learn tips to overcome that in this video. While playing video games, usually lag happens. It makes playing difficult and the game gets disturbed too. So, what should we do? These are the tips. 1. Close the background apps that are running. This way, the space gets free and device gets boosting. There is an improvement in overall performance of the smartphone. 2. Disable background services. Background services play a big role in using system resources. That's why we must temporarily turn them off. Then the phone performance also gets better. 3. Stop app updates. Apps keep getting updates. Because of this, space gets consumed. Battery reduces. That's why you must stop updates when playing games. With this, the overall internet speed too increases. 4. Reduce Wi-Fi network load. By reducing Wi-Fi bandwidth a bit, internet speed increases. Speed does not lag. 5. Choose nearby game server. For every online game, there is an option to use server. Choose server in nearby locations. 6. Games graphic settings. Use game settings for smooth playing of games. 7. Contact internet service provider. If there is a lag and less speed, you must contact internet service provider immediately. 8. Turn on performance mode. Now smartphones are coming with high performance mode or game boost mode. When you turn on performance mode, game becomes smooth. 9. Power saving mode. Power saving mode determines battery life. Also it boosts battery. When needed, if we disable, we can increase performance.
Video is useful, please like. For many such useful and informative videos, please subscribe to our channel Computer Vignanam. Thank you.